In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hemingway Editor to improve writing. This tool is designed to make your prose clear, concise, and easy to understand, and today you'll learn exactly how to use its color highlights to tighten your writing without losing your voice. Start by taking the text you want to improve and pasting it into Hemingway Editor. You can paste a single paragraph, an email, or an entire article. As soon as your text is in, the editor scans it and applies color highlights. Think of these colors as a quick map that shows you where your writing can be clearer. Yellow highlights mark sentences that are hard to read. These are usually long or packed with clauses. To fix them, split one long sentence into two, trim extra phrases, or move the main idea to the front. If a sentence feels dense, it probably is. Red highlights point to sentences that are very hard to read. These often contain multiple ideas tangled together. Break them down into smaller, straightforward sentences. Remove filler, keep each sentence focused on one idea, and guide the reader step by step. Blue highlights identify adverbs. Adverbs can make writing feel vague or padded. Instead of saying run quickly, consider a stronger verb like sprint. You don't have to delete every adverb, but aim to use them sparingly so your verbs carry more weight. Green highlights show passive voice. Passive voice can hide who is doing the action, which makes sentences less direct. When it makes sense, switch to active voice by naming the subject up front. For example, the report was reviewed becomes the team reviewed the report. Keep passive voice only when the doer doesn't matter or should stay in the background. Purple highlights call out complex or wordy phrases. The editor suggests simpler alternatives that keep your meaning while improving clarity. Swap utilize for use and in order to for to. Short, familiar words help readers move through your ideas without stumbling. With the highlights as your guide, edit for clarity and simplicity. Tackle the red and yellow sentences first, then refine adverbs, passive voice, and complex wording. Read your revised sentences aloud if you can. Your ear will catch awkward spots your eyes might miss. The goal isn't to strip out style, but to make every sentence pull its weight. When you're satisfied, copy the improved text and paste it back into your document or platform. That's it, quick, focused edits that make your writing clearer, more confident, and easier to read.